Hey guys, welcome to TraderMastering. Please pardon me for not posting last week. I have been a lot busy and scheduling time with you guys because I'm a trader also. I have a lot of things doing. So during the week, during the time I was preparing one of the most powerful trading strategy, which I'm going to review, and it's going to be as a course which I'm going to start posting in these as from next week. It's going to cover a lot, but before I start posting a series of video, let's see what we are going to do today. First of all, now what is intermediate term market structure? In my previous video, I've talked about short-term highs and lows and how it's been used in the trading, and how it's being used in swing trading, and how it's being used in scalping also. So before further ado, let's see what this intermediate term highs and lows is. When market structure creates a series of highs and lows in the market, never forget that market structure has a short-term highs and lows, and market structure has intermediate term highs and lows, but it can also have a long-term highs and lows. Depends on what view you are viewing in the market structure. Let me show you an example. When price creates a low in the market, and price creates a high, and price creates a low, and price creates a high, creates a low, create a high. This is called a short-term highs and lows. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is called a short-term highs and lows in the market. But there is another example which is called intermediate term highs and lows. This intermediate term highs and lows cover the short-term highs and lows, on how you can be able to know what market structure you are in the time frame. Let me show you. Once price is creating a series of highs and lows in the market, on the short-term highs, remember intermediate term highs and lows this is going to be intermediate term highs and lows. Before this intermediate term highs and lows, there's going to be a series of short-term highs and lows in the market. Remember, this is going to be intermediate term highs and lows, series of short-term highs and lows in the market. Price is going to go to the downside. Are you getting what I'm saying? This is called intermediate term highs. This is called intermediate term highs in the market, which is called lower high, lower low. So you understand what I'm saying? This is how we use this market structure, which is called the intermediate term highs and lows, to look for a trading strategy. How we use the intermediate highs and lows to look for a buying and selling trading strategy. If you understand this intermediate highs and lows in this video, your learning curve in trading in general is going to be a little less. You are going to be one of the most professional traders of all time, which Larry Williams talk about in his trading strategy. But this is called a Larry Williams. This strategy is called a Larry Williams. Forgive me for not putting his name. Larry Williams guide. However, I quickly put his name in this video so that I'm not gonna get a bias, because Larry Williams is one of the most profitable traders of all time. He was the one that invented the intermediate term highs and lows and the short term highs and lows. So before further ado, let's see how we can be able to use this market structure to trade in the financial market. It's going to be our example, which we are going to walk through on how we can be able to find our intermediate term highs and lows in the market. So before further ado, let's see how it's been played out in the market. Before I continue this video, please listen to what I'm going to say. Is going to help you in this video. Please, I'm begging you, because if you miss this foundational class of the intermediate term highs and lows, you can never be profitable. You can never be a profitable trader. That's it. The intermediate term highs and lows control the short term highs and lows. So get it now. So let's continue. When market structure creates a series of highs and lows, it's going to be in illustration also. It's going to be on illustration, which I'm going to talk about. Please also, before I continue this video, please, if you don't know how to mark your short-term highs and lows, please, this video is not going to be about short-term highs and lows. It's going to be how you can be able to mark your intermittent highs and lows so that you can trade in the direction of the trend. That is trend following. So please, if you don't know how you can be able to spot short-term highs and lows, please, I want you to watch my previous video. I talk about the market structure foundation to short-term highs and lows in the market. That is going to help you a lot. That video is one of the best video you can watch as a market structure foundation in this channel. So let's continue. When price creates a series of short-term highs, what do you see? You notice that price also creates a short-term low. Price creates a short-term high, price creates a short-term low. What happened in this instant? Price creates take us this intermittent high. Why? Because there was a series of short-term highs at the left and at the right. Are you seeing it? Price take us blows it up. What happened? You notice that this intermittent highs and lows is been taken out, and price creates a series of short-term low. Now this is now the trick. How do we know? This is not the trick. How do we know our intermittent lows? So for we to spot our intermittent lows in the market, we have to look for an example, either like this in the market. It's going to be a reversal. It's going to be a reversal. We normally use reversal to find our intermediate term highs and lows using the short term. This can be a short term highs in the market, and once price creates a series of short term low in the market, for example, it creates like this, and now this is not the trick. How do we know our intermediate term lows in the market and our intermittent highs in the market? This is very simple. Normally, when we are looking for intermittent highs and lows, I have two concepts, which is called, the first concept is going to be as a reversal. It's going to be as a reversal. When price creates a series of lower low in the market, for example, if you are looking for intermittent highs and lows, this is going to be a short-term lows. When price creating a short-term lows in the market, you will notice price creates a market structure shift in the market. What do you notice? This became a low. This became a low also, but price take out this high, and what do you wait for in this example? You wait for price to take out this previous high, which is called intermittent low. If you notice, it's going to be like this. Are you seeing it? Because there was a short-term low at the left and a short-term low at the right. Are you getting me? This is how I normally find my intermittent lows in the market, so that I can be able to follow the market structure. So same thing also apply to the intermediate term highs in the market. When price creates a series of short-term highs in the market, what do? You wait for market structure to shift in the market, and price retrace. What is going to happen? What do you know? What is going to happen? This is going to be a series of a short-term highs at the left and a short-term high at the right. So you understand what I'm saying? What this setup entails. Let's move on our example. Please, this is going to be very brief because this video is getting long. Now you understand what I'm saying. So when price creates a short-term low, what happened? Market structure shift at this is called intermittent. This is called intermittent low. What do? This is called the market structure shift at the upside on this short term. What do you think happened? This is called intermittent low in the market. Are you seeing it? price take out this intermittent highs in the market, what do you do? What do you notice happened? Price retrace into the intermittent low. What reaction do you see? There was a massive price move to the upside. Are you seeing it? There was a massive. You notice when price retrace into the intermittent low, there was a price move to the upside. So you understand, you buy here and you can sell at that instant. So let's see, let's keep on going. Price was busy creating a series of short-term low in the market. Let's see. Are you seeing it? This is also intermittent lows in the market. Are you seeing it? Price retrace into these intermittent lows on the 1 hour. There was also a move to the upside, but there was a liquidity raid at this instance. That is not an issue for you not to trade your setup. Look for the intermittent flows in the market. If you notice, this is intermittent lows. What happened? Remember, this low is still holding as intermittent lows. Remember, it's still holding. Are you seeing it? Wow, look at what price did. Remember, well, when the market structure is being bearish at, price create a series of higher on the short term highs and lows on the 1 hour. Notice this is also intermediate term highs, but remember, this is inside the previous intermediate term lows. Are you seeing it? This is inside in the previous intermediate term lows that could not take out the previous high. You understand what I'm saying? So in market structure, once intermediate term highs is holding previous price, I shall know that structure is very strong. And if you notice, price was this was intermediate term highs on the 1 hour. Same thing also applies to this instance, because there was a series of short-term lows at this point. So let me move further. When price take out these short-term lows, what do you notice? Remember, I made mention that this is an intermittent lows. So immediately when price take out this intermittent lows, what do you notice happen? There was a price move to the upside. Let's see what happened. Wow, do you see what I'm saying? Imagine you are trading this kind of market structure. You want to just trade only in the intermittent highs and the intermittent lows in the market. Look at this, intermittent lows was being raided for price to move forward. So it all depends on how you are going to trade this setup. So let's look at more example before I continue. Listen, when price busy creating a short-term highs and short-term lows in the market, moving upward, what do you notice happened? There was also a series of a price move. Look at our price was busy moving up forward, was busy going upward after taking these intermittent lows on the 1 hour. Are you seeing it? Imagine this intermittent lows was bullish. You can be able to look for, as the intermittent highs on the 1 hour has not been taken yet, and you should look for a way to keep on buying, not selling, because this is intermittent lows. You look for the short-term market structure, which I talk about in my previous video, you look for the move. Do you see how it is? Do you see you keep on buying on the short-term lows? You keep on buying on the short-term lows. You keep on buying. Look at, you keep on buying on the short-term lows after a retracement using either order block or FVG. Depends. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it, guys? So notice where is our intermediate term lows is. Can you show me? Can you show me? If you say this is an intermediate term lows, this is correct. This is called this is correct. This intermediate term lows, and which is our recent intermediate term lows. Why? Because this, if you notice this price create a series of short-term lows in the market. Look at what I'm saying. You can either call this minor, but for me it's an intermediate term lows on the 1 hour. Same thing also apply to this. Is an intermittent lows. What do you see? Market structure shift bullish. There was a retracement into the intermittent lows. What do you see on the short term? Massive upward move. So are you seeing it? That is our example 1. So I'm not going to make this video long, so please in my next video I'm going to show you the example 2 on how you can be able to use this setup to be able to match with your trading. That is on how you can be able to use this setup to look for intermediate term lows in the market without getting confused on which lows to use and which lows is not going to hold in the market. Please and please, if you really enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, TraderMastering. I will see you other time. Happy trading. God bless. Stay tuned.